Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Channel. Today's story is about airport. You will follow two friends on their first trip together. They will check in, go through security, and board their flight. Along the way, they will face some real problems, and they will use real English to solve them. By the end of this video, you will know how to speak English at every step of the airport process. Before we start, I have one question for you. Listen carefully to the story and find the answer. So, today's question is, what does Alex forget to take off before going through security? The answer is in the conversation. Write your answer in the comments at the end. Let's start. Alex, we are finally here. The airport is so big.
I know. I have never been to an airport this large before. Where do we go first?
First, we need to check in. That is where we show our tickets and drop off our luggage.
Okay, and where is check-in?
Look for the signs that say departures. We follow those signs first.
I can see a sign. It says departures with an arrow. This way.
Good. And while we walk, let me explain check-in so you are prepared.
Please, I have no idea what to expect.
At the check-in counter, the staff will ask for two things, your passport and your booking reference.
Booking reference. What is that?
It is a code you got when you bought your ticket. It is usually 6 letters or numbers. You can find it in your email confirmation.
Oh, I have that on my phone.
Perfect. They will check your name and your flight details. Then they will give you a boarding pass.
What is a boarding pass?
A boarding pass is a paper or digital card. It shows your seat number, gate number, and boarding time. You need it to get on the plane. Do not lose it.
Seat number, gate number, boarding time. I will remember that.
Okay, here is the check-in counter. I will go first. Watch and listen. Excuse me.
Good morning. Welcome. Can I see your passport and booking reference, please?
Of course. Here is my passport, and here is my booking reference on my phone.
Thank you. Let me check your details. You are on flight NX401 to Singapore, departing at 14:20. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, one suitcase, please.
Please place it on the scale.
Like this?
Perfect. It weighs 19 kilograms. Your allowance is 23 kilograms, so no extra charge.
That is good to hear.
Do you have any liquids, sharp items, or batteries in your bag?
No, just clothes and some books.
Great. I will attach a tag and send it to the plane. Here is your boarding pass. Your seat is 22B. Boarding starts at 13:50 at gate 14.
Thank you very much.
Have a great flight. Okay, my turn. I am a little nervous.
You will be fine. Just answer their questions clearly.
Right. Clear answers. I can do that.
Good morning. Passport and booking reference, please.
Here's my passport, and my booking code is on my phone. Let me find it.
Take your time.
Here it is.
Thank you. You are on flight NX401 to Singapore. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay. Is 24 kilograms okay?
I'm sorry, your bag is 1 kilogram over the limit. The limit is 23 kilograms. There will be a small extra charge of $10.
Oh, I did not know that. Nia, what should I do?
You can pay the extra charge, or you can remove something from your bag to reduce the weight.
Let me take out my heavy book. That should reduce it.
Let me recheck. Now it is 22.5 kilograms, no extra charge.
Great. Thank you for your patience.
No problem at all. Here is your boarding pass, seat 22A, gate 14, boarding at 13:50.
Thank you.
Well done, Alex. You handled that well.
The overweight bag was a surprise. I did not expect that.
It happens to many people. Now we need to go through security.
What happens at security?
They check that you are not carrying any dangerous items. You have to put your belongings in a tray. Your bag, jacket, and shoes go into the tray.
My shoes too?
Yes, many airports ask you to remove them, and if you have a laptop or tablet, take it out of your bag. It needs to go in a separate tray by itself.
Okay, separate tray for the laptop.
Also, empty your pockets completely. Phone, wallet, keys, coins, everything out.
I have quite a lot in my pockets. Let me organize before we get in line.
Good idea. Do it now before we reach the machine.
Okay, Alex, put everything in the tray. Jacket, phone, wallet, keys.
Done. And my bag goes here?
Yes, push it onto the belt.
Okay, I am ready.
Please step through the detector. Sir, can you step back, please? The detector beeped. Do you have anything metal on you?
I removed my phone and wallet.
Check your wrists and waist, please.
Oh, my watch. I completely forgot about my watch.
Please remove it and place it in the tray.
I'm sorry about that. Here it is.
No problem. Please step through again.
The machine does not beep.
All clear. Please collect your belongings on the other side.
Thank you. I will not forget next time.
The watch.
I know, I felt embarrassed, but the officer was very patient.
They are used to it. It happens all the time. Next time you will remember. Remove everything before you walk through.
Definitely. Okay, now where do we go?
We need to find gate 14. Look at the signs above. They show which direction each gate is.
I can see it. Gate 14 is to the right. There's still 1 hour before boarding.
Perfect. We have enough time to sit and relax. Here is gate 14. We can sit here and wait.
Good. Nia, can I ask, what does boarding mean exactly?
Boarding means getting on the plane. When they announce boarding, you go to the gate door. You show your boarding pass. Then you walk through the tunnel and onto the plane.
Oh, the tunnel is connected to the plane.
Yes, that tunnel is called a jet bridge. It connects the gate to the plane door.
I see. And our seats, we are 22A and 22B. Are those together?
Yes, A and B are next to each other. Row 22 is near the middle of the plane.
That is good. I like sitting in the middle. Less turbulence, I heard.
That is true. The middle of the plane is generally the smoothest area. An announcement is heard. Passengers on flight NX401 to Singapore, boarding will begin in 10 minutes at gate 14. Please have your boarding passes and passports ready.
That is us. Are you ready?
Ready? Let's go. Excuse me?
Hello, can I see your boarding pass, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. One moment while I scan it. All clear. Go right ahead. Turn left when you enter the plane.
Thank you.
Enjoy your flight, Nia.
Boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. All good. You can board now.
Thank you very much. We did it! We are on the plane.
See? It was not so difficult.
The only real problem was my overweight bag and my watch at security.
Both small problems with simple solutions.
I learned so much today. Check-in, luggage limit, boarding pass, security, jet bridge.
Now you know the airport process from start to finish.
I feel much more confident. Next time, I will know exactly what to do.
That is the goal. I hope you found that story helpful. Alex and Nia went through every step of the airport together. They faced two real problems, an overweight bag and a forgotten watch at security, and they solved both calmly. Now let me ask the question one more time. What does Alex forget to take off before going through security? Did you find the answer? Write your answer in the comments below. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Easy English channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.